Yeah, hi, Professor TA in the class of 5810, the section 001. I'm here to record the video for the reading assignment one. Um, I took Siemens open source knowledge discovery tool as the topic and from the paper referring reading list. And coming to the summary, the author bridges the skill set gap between the non-technical researchers such as biologists and clinicians to perform data analysis in a simple way instead of learning the complex programming languages using the open source software Siemens. To facilitate the application of machine learning to high dimensional biomedical data, there are around 180 plus machine learning algorithms and very easy to use software. In simple terms, we can frame Siemens as open source automated machine learning software. Like coming to the features of Siemens, there are around 180 plus machine learning algorithms to choose from. For example, from the reference paper, we can see that non-technical researchers have some data and from that unorganized data with the help of algorithms which were already pre-existing in the machine learning in the machine, like in the Siemens software, they try to extract the meaningful data. After getting the meaningful data, it is easy to use a graphical user interface, and for that there is no programming skills are required for it. For better understanding, for a technical like a common person, for a better understanding for a common person, we can state that users can explore a new feature in Siemens tool where the graphical representation of the data looks clean and understandable for a common man as well. For that, this feature is there in Siemens to use a graphical user interface. And the third feature of Siemens is automated approach for machine learning and statistical analysis method. The machine itself will have some automated approach for the machine learning and statistical analysis. The fourth feature is that it is having a standardized pipelines. And coming to the fifth feature, like identifying the optimal algorithms, there are around 180 plus machine learning algorithms. The machine itself will choose which algorithm is necessary to the process problem. So the machine itself will have identify the optimal algorithm for the problem, or optimal algorithm. So, and the sixth feature is that it helps both the non-technical and the technical researchers to identify crucial patterns in the data. So after completing the features, if we go, Siemens played a key role for the non-technical researchers to understand how to apply machine learning methods and translate them into meaningful insights. Yeah, here Siemens stands for sequential iterative modeling overnight. The machine learning ML, a subset of artificial intelligence, is a computational approach developed to identify patterns from the data in order to make predictions on new data. This paper addresses the biggest challenges, which is the proper application of ML methods and the translation of the results into meaningful insights. So there is an increased effort to harmonize all the libraries and develop a software that will facilitate application of ML in life sciences, which programming languages like R and Python fail to make accessible for researchers, especially from a non-programming background. So the fast paced technological development has dramatically increased the size of biological data sets and the computational power needed for analysis. So therefore, where the computational power is needed for analysis, like the open source web-based software supporting cloud processing architecture is essential. So based on all these requirements and challenges, So they developed a sequential iterative modeling overnight, free and open source software for applications of ML in life sciences, that facilitates production of high performing ML models and allow researchers to focus on the knowledge discovery process. So Siman provides a user-friendly uniform interface for building and evaluating predictive models using a variety of ML algorithms. So this is the summary of Siemens, the software which came into picture for the non-technical persons to understand the data better without having any previous programming knowledge. So this tool has very immense algorithm techniques where they get immense algorithm techniques. And coming to the critical analysis, here the author presents the paper with an introduction to problems encountered to perform data analysis using programming languages such as R, Python, and slowly address the solution. Like here, they came with a solution by introducing the tool Siemens. Like a lot of information is being provided on the necessity to build a graphical user interface based tool, to bridge the gap between subject material expert and the ML developers. So this research allowed advanced ML users to focus on other important aspects necessary to build highly accurate models such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model development. And the detailed analysis of resulting using Seminar included in the paper that covers AUROC, precision recall curve, data pre-processing, generation of training, validation and test sets, in addition to the server version of the tool. So getting to know about the graphical user interface based data analytical tool is the biggest takeaway from reading this paper, Simon. After my critical analysis, there are a couple of questions to discuss. The author could have listed few more ML algorithms such as regression, classification, or time series to compare the results. That's what my overview is. Then the biological data sets are very hard to comprehend. Given their purpose, the author could have concentrated on few parameters such as IgA2 signature instead of many. These are the questions which I wanted to discuss. And the overview, the summary, and the critical analysis is also presented in my document. I'd be uploading this in the assignment submission. Thank you.